The donkey's got it. Well, first significant snowstorm in the New York, New Jersey area. Only a matter of time. Did you get the bread and milk? It's all right. I got it. Who's gonna do it? You? I'm the donkey. I got it. The donkey's got it. Who's gonna do it? Eddie? My kids? Lucy? She's at Home Goods. Who's gonna do it? You, Lieutenant Weinberg? I got it. I got it. The donkey's got it. I got it. I got it.
Hey, Vic.
What?
I thought you have a snowblower. What are you doing?
Yes, I have a snow blower. I don't feel like using it. It's only 2 inches. It's good exercise.
That's all you got is 2 inches?
Oh, I hope you get a fucking heart attack shoveling, you motherfucker.
Hey, Vic.
What?
What are you doing? That's not good for the pavers.
I'm feeding the pigeons. Mind your fucking business.
It's not good. There. You're ruining your pavers.
It's all right. I'm selling the house next month.
Your car's already got no snow on them?
Well, I ran the cars.
Maybe you could help me do that now.
Yeah, fuck you. I got enough on my hands.
All right.
But I got to give you credit, Alan.
Yeah, what?
You're not wearing shorts. Well, another job well done. Now I got to drive upstate to do some shows. Thank God Lexus has a Doppler radar system.